It was so magical, so amazing. I had a dream that I was lucid dreaming, so I don't know if that counts. I didn't have a lucid dream, but I'm still confident I will get there. And I think one of the most meaningful moments I personally had through the process was a beautiful dream with my childhood home, which is super rare for me. So I feel one of the exercises was to actually have a dream journal to record first thing in the morning, every morning. That made all the difference. And so that was a really magical moment. What's keeping me committed to this practice is now having the tools, and we even got these mild cheat cards, which is right by my bedside, along with my journal. So that's definitely keeping me committed to this practice. I do miss a couple days, but I give myself grace. And even if I don't remember a dream, I'm still writing it down. So, what I thought about lucid dreaming before was when you're in a dream and you realize you're dreaming and you take advantage of that, whether it's flying or any other magical things. So, but this program was amazing because I love to know the mechanics and the kind of the theories behind something, not just, okay, this is lucid dreaming. I really didn't know any details about the mechanics behind it. So, I think learning that each week was really cool because I love to learn. What's different in my waking life since I've started this practice is just reminding myself, am I dreaming right now? And just trying to really keep that a practice also, so that when I am dreaming, I can catch it easier. I have been good about in real life. Sometimes I'm like, is this a dream? This is too amazing. So I've already lived that way. But again, this has been nice to incorporate into right when I wake up, of course. So that's just taking the time to remember the dreams, I'd say, is the biggest way I'm incorporating this into daily life. Because I think before I would remember dreams, but not very often. And I wasn't writing them down. So that's been a big difference. What surprised me the most about this experience is the cohort and the people that were along the ride with me in the WhatsApp group, and just the accountability and just the dedication that everybody had every day to report back. Did they dream? What was the dream? Did they have a lucid dream? How much effort did they put into the process from a scale of 1 to 10? And everybody did a really great job, which held me accountable too, right? When I would see everybody in the WhatsApp group sharing each day, then that definitely motivated me to do so and held myself accountable. So I think that was definitely awesome, surprising, all of the above. And as far as a moment where everything clicked, I didn't have a lucid dream, but I'm still confident I will get there. But again, the practice, the writing it down, I got so close because I had a dream about lucid dreaming. So I was like, God, let me get the lucid dream. Not there yet. But again, just staying the course. I've got all now, just the education behind it, the meanings behind it, the history behind lucid dreaming was super cool to learn. Thank you so much, Anthony. And I highly recommend this program to anybody thinking about it.